Unless it's bad news. The next person who brings me bad news goes straight into the lava pit!
Hey, Chairman Drek. It said, calling for, no reason. Everything's fine. I'm totally not cowering inside the shipping crate or anything. In fact, I was just calling to assure you that there is nothing to worry about. Security is, secure. So, bye! Hey, let me down! Heed my warning, Warbot! You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries. Don't you dare execute that command! You executed it! Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems. You did it again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac.
Nice work, little buddy.
You did well, Clank.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
All right, let's head inside.